Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. In this video, I want to share a couple of things with you. Give you a little bit of insight in what we're going to be covering on our webinar that we'll be holding in a few days, and actually show you how the portion of our system works, our trading strategy, the things we do. Now, we have some indicators here, and we'll be telling you about those in the webinar, what they are and how to install them, and so you can set them up yourself. But what I want to do now is show you how this indicator actually works. So one of the things that we find with using the indicators, the way we use them, it helps you to trade many more currency pairs. So you become good at trading indicators rather than trading one or two currencies. The more you understand how to use a few indicators, then the better you can be at trading many currency pairs, whatever's moving during that time. So what we're going to do now is just share with you what we do and how we kind of look for trades. I've drawn this vertical line right here. When this indicator goes below or goes back above the zero line, then that's a heads up. It's not a place to take a trade necessarily, but it's a heads up. Then what you would do is go to a smaller time frame and see if that confirms and see if you'd want to enter a trade right there. If you had entered a trade right there, that was on a 30-minute time frame, it was about a 40 pip move. But there's another entry right over here that you could have continued that same trend again or exited and re-entered for another 30-40 pips. So that's basically kind of how it works. Now let me do one that's showing you how you look for when the trend is going up. So right here on the larger time frame, you check when it's going across the zero line. That gives you an idea of heads up that you might be trading in the direction of a larger trend on the larger time frame. Then we're going to go to a 30-minute. And what would you look for? You would look for a very similar thing when it's going across the zero line going up. So that would be a great entry point based on just two indicators. I give you about a 25 pip move. Would you take this trade going short? No, because the trend on the larger time frame is going up. You see how the market's going sideways right here? There's not a lot of movements there. Let's see. Would you have gotten in right here? You could have. It was a slow moving trade. And actually it did go up 20 some odd pips, but it was not necessarily a great crisp clean entry, but you wouldn't have lost, or if you had, it would have been very small. Okay, it came down, but which direction you're trading? We're trading long. So right here again, that would be the point you'd be entering, and there's another 18-20 pips. So when you look at the larger time frame, and when it says you're wanting to trade going up, whenever the smaller time frame gives you that signal that the momentum's going up, there's another 30 pips. You get the idea. So that's just two of the indicators. So what we're going to do is show you how some more indicators tie together so that you can really be more accurate and have more confidence in trading the trend or trading the direction of the way the market's actually going. When you get through watching this video, go back to the email and register for the webinar. The webinar will give you a lot of good information. We hope to have actually good valuable information that you'll get information that you would be charged a price for if you were to look at other trading systems. This stuff we just want you to be aware of. So we want you to get something from this if you're just looking at our system, or maybe you're already in it, and there will be some education there as well. So go ahead and go to the email, get back and register for the webinar, and we'll be looking forward to seeing you. Now watch your emails the next couple of days, because we'll be going over giving you some more information that this will even be helpful to you. So nice talking with you, and we'll see you in the webinar.